is yours. The world is yours. It's mine, whose world is this?
What's up, JandE family? It's your girl Essence and my handsome husband Jay.
What's up?
So today we're going to be doing a couple of things. Wait, but before I continue, I just want to say, if this is your first time watching our videos, hey cousin.
What's up, cousin? What's up?
Once you like, comment, and subscribe, you're going to be family. Make sure that you share our videos for others to see, because we're going to be bringing out some more content this year. You know what I'm saying? We do recipes, vlogs. We live in Hawaii, hauls for Shein and other different companies. So make sure y'all continue to watch our videos. But today is Saturday, and we are in Ross parking lot. We're going to be coming in here, and y'all know Ross is like my favorite store, okay? We're going to be going in here to get probably some chairs, some beach towels, and whatever we can find for the beach. We're going to be meeting up with a couple of friends at Waikiki Beach. Just make it like a beach day. After that, later on today, we are going to a lounge, and trust me, we're going to be super safe because of COVID, but we have not been out in a long time, so we're gonna have our mask on and everything. We're gonna be 6 feet apart and all that stuff, but we're gonna go to a lounge, listen to top 40 music, have some cocktails, and just enjoy ourselves in Waikiki. And then that's it. So I think that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to bring y'all along for this entire weekend. So make sure you sit back, relax, continue to watch. So we are at the beach, and we're heading to get something to eat first. It's so beautiful down here. The weather is so perfect. Yeah, so we'll show y'all the beach in a few minutes. What's up, y'all? So we are at the beach right now with our friends, and we're just relaxing. We're right here on the sand. I got this book here. I saw another girl brought this book actually at the beach on YouTube, and I got it from Amazon. So make sure y'all check this out. I just started reading it. We're just relaxing. We'll probably pick y'all up a little later.
shots blindly, trying to find Jehovah to help me. Somebody save me. Smile for me, yeah.
What's up, y'all? So we are about to go to, it's not showing up here, but I'll show y'all. Gotta get in this elevator. We're heading to the lounge at this really nice hotel. What's up, honey?
What's up? Yeah. Show the people you.
Yeah, so I'm just really casual. Have my tennis shoes on, you know, which they say you can dress any kind of way, so. Y'all don't know, this outfit is from Shein. Well, actually, I'm lying. This outfit is from Pink Flamingo Boutique. So it is part of the haul video that is on our channel, so make sure y'all check it out. And check her out. It's a black-owned company, so she has dope pieces. So this is one outfit that I have purchased from her boutique. Hey y'all, so we are here at the resort, and this resort has a lounge on the 5th floor. So they play like top 40 music. So we're here about to check it out. We have never been here before, and we should have stayed the night here because it is so nice. Let's go ahead and head to the 5th floor and let's see what it looks like.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me too good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out of my fantasy.
When they're ready to give me the thing, they're ready to really get the line. Tell me all about the things where you were back.
Gotta go to the 5th. This is where we're going right here.
Yes, sir.
They were looking good.
Thank you, baby.
Check myself right quick. See what we got. What's up?
This is the place that we're going to. Hey y'all. So we just sat down. It's breezy, but thank God I have no sleeves on. I like this type of music. Well, you know I like all types of music, but this is house music. I want to show y'all what it looks like. Hold on. So we are by the infinity pool, and it is so nice. I'm drinking my Mai Tai. Your girl a little tipsy. Feeling good, but God is good, life is good, and I just want y'all to see this beautiful pool.
Hey!
Hey!
Let me love you down. Carry on. Girl, I want to know your name.
So we just got done finishing the lounge. It was so nice. It was jamming, well, towards the end, I would say, because the beginning of the event, she was playing house music, and which was okay. It's not bad. But towards the end, she was playing R&B, so she was definitely jamming. But right here is just so beautiful. I love that you can see the picture of a palm tree on the building. It just feels so good out here. It's just perfect. Perfect scenery.
Hey, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, man. We checking out everything out here. Today, we trying to leave, but we can't leave yet. I'm gonna show you this aquarium right quick.
Look at that one. That's so cool.
They go all the way up too. All the way up there. How you feeling, mama? Go ahead and sit up there. Model for me.
They gonna kick us out.
Ooh, look at you.
Got my mask on. Nobody in here though.
Hey, take it
Might
off.
as well take it off. And we twinning too. We got the same tennis shoes on.
Yep. Oh yeah, bam. Look at that. Tell you one thing, girl, you is fine, girl. Look at it.
Thank you, baby.
Wait. I say yes, Lord.
Yo, turn my music up. Up some more. Up some more. Up a little bit more.